Morning, welcome to a What I Eat in a Day vlog. Today we are in Melbourne. Dave is running a marathon today. It's 5:21, we have to leave in 9 minutes. I've got myself ready. I used to never care about getting my hair and makeup done for race day because it's like you're going to a fucking marathon where people are just like sweating and in activewear and all that kind of stuff. But I feel like I am turning the page and wanting to just put more effort into the way that I look when I go out, even if it is just to a marathon. So these curls will absolutely drop. I'm going to put a beanie on anyway because it's like freaking 5 degrees outside. And I'll put a puffer on. So it's going to be like a little bit dressed down. But anyway, I feel like I look cross-eyed when I look at the screen here. I don't know why I'm filming this way either, but I just thought it'd be fun. Anyway, so what I did is I brought a little bottle with some protein powder in it. So I'm going to probably take that with me. I was caught up between wanting to have that and an apple like later in the day when I'm feeling it. But I actually hate eating apples like that. I like eating them cut up with peanut butter and cinnamon. And I have peanut butter here and I don't want to eat the apple right now. So I think I'm just gonna save the apple for a snack later maybe. And then Dave has some spelt sourdough in the fridge, so I think I might just have that now with some peanut butter and then take the protein shake to like sip on. I'm just gonna like flip this around because this is kind of weird talking to you guys like this now. I've realized I'm actually on a real like bit of a time crunch, so I'm just gonna talk to you while I actually make it. But I am gonna go with the spelt sourdough with peanut butter and honey, and then I'll take the protein shake to sip on because I don't really feel like eating the apple normally like a normal person was. I need to cut it up. I just hate biting into the apple. It like just gets stuck in my teeth and I really hate that, especially if I'm out somewhere. And I don't know, I think I'd rather just eat everything at home before we go, even though I'm not really that hungry. I know that if I was to wait until like the end of the marathon and then I feel like I need to eat something and then I'm more inclined to eat something that isn't the best choice because I haven't eaten something beforehand. So I'm just gonna have something now to fuel me through the morning. I'll be like walking around a lot. But yeah, let's make this peanut butter toast. Would it be good with chili flakes, do you reckon? Peanut butter and hot honey? Should I do it? This is also what I'm going to take later. It's just got the protein powder already in it, and then I'll put some water in it later. We got the sourdough from the Hoda markets. The lady said that the spelt sourdough kind of has like less gluten in it, so it can be a little bit more gentle on your tummy. I still wouldn't have it if you're celiac or gluten intolerant, but it's a good option for us. We want to avoid gluten, but we're not like allergic to it. So yeah, Dave seems to tolerate it all right. Hopefully I tolerate it all right. No, I think I've had this before, right? Yeah.
Dave. Go Dave! Let's go.
The marathon is over. We are done. We're doing a little check-in with Dave. But firstly, this is what she's having, and
wow.
I don't even have a straw. We're about to go to some runner after party, and I just need to recharge my batteries because we've been up since like 3:30 Queensland time.
Yeah.
So
Standard.
yeah, so I'm like so tired, and I've like been on the line bike. I've definitely got my steps in today.
Yeah.
I mean, not as much as Dave, but
Yeah, well, still. It's a lot of steps.
but this is the
hard
before you
work.
speak. What's it? What is this?
Performance coffee, OG.
Yeah, and I find when I have these, I don't know, I feel like these definitely provide sustained energy. They have like the MCT oil and the turmeric in them, and yeah, they're good. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting my smoothie straw from yesterday out.
Oh yeah, I hate drinking coffee like straight to my teeth.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm thinking. It's just like I've washed it, but I haven't washed it with a straw cleaner. So I'm like, oh, I wonder what's in it. I might rinse it and then use a straw. Anyway, so how did you go in the marathon, doll?
2 hours 40 something.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
how do you feel about that?
Not like over the moon, but you can't complain with a PB.
Yeah, I feel like you definitely can't. You can't complain. I mean, you can complain if you want to, but I think that's definitely a choice right there.
Yeah.
And I think it's definitely something to be proud of, even though you didn't get the result that you wanted. It's important to still appreciate
Yeah.
what
Definitely.
you got.
Yeah, for sure. I've had a lot of like nice messages and people like coming up to me. So
Yeah, it's comforting.
yeah, it's like bigger than just the time.
Exactly. It's
Yeah,
all
for
the training that you've put into it, all the hard work.
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely very proud of you.
Thanks, though.
But yeah, we're gonna have this, and I think we're actually gonna have leftovers, so it's like not as travel vibe as I thought, because we're actually not eating out today.
No, we are. We're
Well-
gonna be eating out at the after party and stuff.
Oh, well,
like,
no.
we'll have a dinner out, and then we'll have breakfast out, and then we're gonna probably have to have lunch out tomorrow.
Okay, so should I continue this on until tomorrow?
This vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep it going.
All right,
So
I'll keep
people see what they want to see.
Okay, we'll keep going to tomorrow.
Yeah.
So basically, we're gonna just have the leftover pasta that we didn't eat last night for lunch because Dave's a little bit,
Sore would be the word.
yeah. So he is not in the he's not in good form to be walking around the streets trying to find somewhere to eat. So we're just gonna sit here. We're gonna have the pasta left over, and I'm gonna have this coffee to charge those social batteries for this afternoon's antics, and
Yeah.
then later we will go out and we'll have dinner out somewhere as well.
Yeah, well, we're going to an after party, so should be some antics there. Should be fun.
Keen, are you gonna have a beverage?
I'm gonna I'll probably have a beer to start, and then I'm gonna have a ginger beer.
Oh, see, I would start with a ginger beer.
Nah, because I'll just have the beer because it's like, alright, having a beer.
Yeah.
And then I'll be like, oh, fuck this. I'm going to have ginger beer now.
Beer with the boys.
Be with the lads.
I'm-
But I'll be with the girls.
Yeah. I also still have this beanie on because I'm scared of what my hair will look like once I take it off.
Yeah. Look like mine.
Right, I'm gonna go get a straw and enjoy this. Oh my gosh.
Was that too seductive for the vlog?
Dave's had a few drinks, so... No, you definitely... This is Tipsy Dave. Look at that. She's stunning.
What about the ice cream?
What did you get?
Macadamia crunch.
Ooh.
It's unreal.
Is it?
How many times did I ask you that?
I bet you it's good. Yeah, but you didn't ask the vlog.
We got the dairy-free chocolate sorbet. No, this is not all mine. Instead of getting this both a scoop each, we're like, oh, let's just get 2 scoops and share. We are home now from our social antics. I don't know if I told you guys before, but Dave didn't end up finishing his pasta, so I ended up just eating that. So he ate like half and I ate half. So I had that for lunch, and then we went to the run club event thing, caught up with his running friends. That was really good, chatting with all them. And then we went and got fishbowl. I got the beef brisket from fishbowl, which I don't know if I've had that before. I usually get the poached chicken with avo, but I just got the beef brisket with like the sushi rice and then a few of the veg, and I think it's the umami cashew nut crunch or something like that, and that was really good. That made me feel like satisfied and I didn't feel gross after it. I feel like fishbowl is just always a safe bet when you're out, so I would definitely recommend fishbowl if you're ever looking for options while you are traveling. It's just something that's not going to make you feel shitty, and it's going to hit the spot, and there's a good amount of protein in it, and you can always add extra protein too. But we did get Messina afterwards as a little treaty, which was good. We just got the dark chocolate sorbet, which is dairy free, and we just shared that and then just walked home. So it was like a 15-minute walk after, which I always love that about being on holidays, is walking everywhere rather than getting like Ubers and stuff, or even line biking, just because you're kind of moving your body after you're eating, which is really good. Like I've done nearly 15,000 steps today, I think, probably more after walking home. But yeah, so we are gonna just have showers and go to bed now, I think, because it's like past 8 o'clock. It is like 7 o'clock at home though, so it's like feels weird. It doesn't feel like the sun has just gone down and it's 8 o'clock, so it definitely is like, you'd have to get used to this, I feel. But tomorrow we're gonna go to Brekkie with Tommy and Katie. We're going to a place, I think it's called Top Paddock. But yeah, I will see you guys at Brekkie.